What's going on, guys? Britta here, back with more free code camps. Learn CSS Grid by building a magazine. We are on step 8. The refer HTTP header contains information about the address or URL of a page that a user might be visiting from. This information can be used in analytics to track how many users from your page visit freecodecamp.org. For example, setting the rel attribute to noRefer omits this information from the HTTP request. Give your A element a rel attribute set to noRefer. So we got this, and we're going to put rel noRefer. Okay. Below your .author element, create a new div element. Yep, author, new div element with the class equal to social icons. Okay, add 5 A elements. Okay, so I'm going to do this 5 times. 3, 4, 5. All right, the first one needs to go here. The second one needs to go here. Third needs to go here. Fourth needs to go here. And the fifth one goes here. Okay, within each of your A elements, add an I element and give them the following classes. All right, so the first one should be I class equals fab Facebook F. That's kind of weird, but okay. Alright, let's see if that's right. You should have 5 I elements. So cut this out. Within this, I class. Okay, that's what we're supposed to be doing here. So cut this out. Okay. One more. Okay. Below your dot heading element, create a new section element with the class set to text. Within that, create a P element with the class set to first paragraph. Whoops. And the following text. Copy that, paste that there. And there we go. Okay, create another P element below your first P element below your first paragraph element and give it the following text. I guess we don't have to give it a class, so. All right, add a third P element. Okay. After the 3 P elements within your .text element, create a block quote element. Within that, add an HR element. And within that, add an HR element, a P element with the class set to quote, and a second HR element. Okay. Give the quote element the text of and there we go. We got some line breaks there, and then I guess that's not a line break, it's a heading type thing. Okay. Below your block quote element, add another P element with the following text. All right, create a 5th P element at the end and give it the following text. All right, create one final P element at the end of your text element. Hold on. Section, okay. And this is what we're giving it here. There we go. Okay. Below your text element, create a new section with the class of text with images. Within that, create an article with a class of brief history. And then a side element with the class set to image wrapper. Your article element should have the class set to brief history. Oh, I spelled brief wrong. Okay. Within your article element, create an H3 element with the class set to list title and the text of a brief history. There we go. Below that, create a P element with the text of the curriculum. Then create a UL element. Class lists. Okay. Alright. This is a big step here. So within your UL element, create 6 LI elements. Add an... Okay, let's do it one at a time. We want 6 of those, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Add an H4 element. With the class set to list subtitle. And a P element to each of your LI elements. Okay, so I need to cut this out. And then I add this to each of your, all right, so to each. So alright, and then give the H4 and P elements the following text. So I guess this is the H4. The text would be this for the paragraph. Alright, and we have passed. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and end this episode, but we completed through step 20 and we'll get started on 21 in the next episode. I do thank you for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.